Yo.
Spread the word. Top Shotter is back.
Gangsta.
Real life.
Yeah, Miami International Airport. I wonder where we're going now.
When we are great, when we are great. Gaza lucky city, every nation, every street.
Yeah, president.
We no regular, my friend. Any civil team is scared to whip me, understand?
Well, if you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. Right about now, we outside and we ain't taking it light because it's the Moliy team.
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel again. There with the next update, people. We see where Mavado, the Gully God, has returned back to the island of Jamaica, you know, people. Yeah, man, the Gully God circle back the ground and can there again with him fans them. We see where the Gully God touching first night and they up on the ground with the people them, you know. Yeah, man, we see where Bounty Killer took it to his Instagram and reacted to the Gully God returning back home to Jamaica. Make people them know say all previous charges that were being held against the Gully God have been dismissed, as we see where him link up with the authorities right after him arrival, people, make sure see how everything is good and copacetic. Him can travel and go anywhere he want to go in the country. Yeah, man, is a good look that. We also see where World Boom took it to his Instagram and reacted to the Gully God returning home. Must say, yo, people, I'm happy right about now. Yeah, man, because you don't know the Gully World Boom ever rip for the Gully side, you know. Yeah, man, the man they ever say, yo, Gully and I sing him Gully song them. I go through the airport and if you know Boom, you know say, yo, alone Gully him thing there, you see me? Yeah, man, says a good look for Kansas City, yo, Mavado can return back to him home country and there again with him people them, because you know him son recently get released from prison through the court of appeal, so you don't know, so everything free up and everybody good and can there up on the ground and happy, and is a good look. We also see where him link up with CJ Milan. Remember in our last episode we are telling us, say, yo, CJ Milan there on the ground. I will see where she link up with the Gully God. Check it out.
Are you ready? You ready for the dynamic duo?
Gully.
Stay tuned.
CJ.
Vado, are you ready?
Yeah, Miami International Airport. I wonder where we're going now. Stay tuned, One World Boss. Coffee shoes and jeans, that's right.
I am in Reggae Vybz. We in a street like a taxi one day. White line. Left side, right side. Gun. Sky eye. What is under my shoes? The clouds. Your red boom, dark. Money where them there when we are great. When we are great. Gaza lucky city, every nation, every street where them there when we are great. Dog, me tell them say I want UTG, yo, where them there when we are great. When we are great. Gaza lucky city, every nation, every street where them there when we are great. Dog, yo, one UTG, hey. Where them there when we are do it. Cartier and freeze, Louis V sneaks cost about 2 G's. Bad bitch, she a blow me like a breeze. If it black chip, and I go make it to police. X6 for my Jeep, and it never cheap. Real star life, so I sport plus do it. Money full of sugar and a donut sweet. 5:30 and me still not sleep. Money where them there when we are great.
So that the teacher and him queen see them and fly over there to Dubai. You know, Kartel behind bars. Adult prior to him incarceration, him to get the opportunity for travel over there to the UAE, that are the United Arab Emirates. So now that him have the opportunity, him can travel that side of the world and see what life is like. Them side, you know, it's a different scene and different culture and everything. So him can get that experience the first, and it's a good look that for the teacher. Yeah, man, because you know, been incarcerated for so much years, you know, one little small box. You know, I can travel the whole world now and see everything. It's a good look. So now we are check out Steflon Don. We see where she traveling in Jamaica with her son, and I show him our future investment. Then what she cop really, because I don't know music and now be our full outcome in her rest of her life, because she brief to do some other ventures like real estate and what she explained to her son. Check out the video.
Yeah, president. And then you can also rent out like how they do a villa. Yeah, like how you do a villa and people come in and come out holiday. So you have residents where people live coming in. Like he said.
We no regular, my friend. Anything for team is scared to whip me, understand?
So the song they're not here on the screen, people, named Force Like a Rabbit from Feloni 19. Upcoming artist, new song we see a bubble on the socials and we see it go and well on the app. So we say, yo, we forget a feature and get a highlight and see what the fans them think about it, cause it have a vibe, it have a sound in it. Here, next B-side.
Call a ball to me, she no want to send again. Force like a rabbit, girl, give me proper heads. When me scared the beast, a full press.
And if you listen to artist's voice, it have a harsh tone there, but it does work well with the rhythm where it depend. And you can't hear say, yo, the song, it mix decent, you see me? It's a decent mix. What do you think? And even though him have the harsh voice there, him a forward with some melody in the tune same way. Even though it's a banger song, him still a put some melody in it same way.
Well, when sweet and the girl them love it dream. Be my bourbon and the girl them love it with.
So that a Felony 19 with a new song, Force Like a Rabbit. People may tell us it have a bounce in it, it have a vibe. Couple times while me there, me listening it and me get a mad energy off it. So me I did, yeah man, if you want to check out the full song, you can circle him YouTube page and all I made street there. So now we are segue over to Skeng. We see him a circle the big bad chug it, yeah, over there in a Sugarman Beach in a Portmore. On the Heroes Day weekend, you know, Heroes Day weekend, it a go load in a JA. I don't know if couple foreigner flying or nothing, but they party them up. Me I tell the people, couple show well a keep and think. I don't know Skeng go to work when couple Mali chip in and him head chip out one night time. You see me I did? Yeah man, them man they got crazy. So you know sir, the big bad chuck it over there in a Portmore. Yeah. But also see where Sizzla I keep him honorary show on the 19th. October, so that would be on the Sunday. Yeah, so Sizzla show I keep on the same Heroes Day weekend. So I'll be a show people, and for Sizzla show I'll be a star. Cause we say Bounty Killer book feed, we say Highway book, Whole Heap of Star book. I don't know how that I got to work when him say yo star studied lineup. So I'll be a show on the Heroes Day weekend. And you know it's a good look that for dance off. You can see artists them out and I perform for the people them and I will have vibes and I enjoy themselves said speed, you see me? It's a good look. So now we check out a clip from the fast rising superstar Ghanaian singer Moliy. You know she have the hit single Shake It to the Max with Sensia and Skilly Bang. Yeah man, that song they gone on the billboard and it had do crazy worldwide. But before she get to that point there, she'd have a journey and she had thought look about her journey there. Here are reasoning.
Let me tell you how I went from an underground artist to a worldwide sensation in 1 year. So this time last year, I had zero motion, averaging 300 views on my TikToks. I didn't have any bookings. There were no distros that were really willing to invest in my releases. Basically, nobody was checking for me. But that's all changed when I decided I was going to move back to Ghana from the USA and bet on myself. First plan of action was just to not give a fuck because I wanted to be able to post whatever, whenever, and just not overthink it. Because if all else fails, this was the only way that I get to show people that I'm a working artist. I started with this theme of being a baddie on a budget. So this means anything from doing my own stick on nails in an Uber ride or like finding really nice and affordable Ghanaian street food, and I was sharing it with the world. At the same time, I realized I had recently recorded a song with Silent Addy and Disco Neil that really emphasized the whole baddie theme. It really felt like the perfect song to tease at the time, so I did it. So I did multiple videos that week, just doing different things with the sound. I even did one with the dance, and I was kind of like repeating it like in different places, but none of them really took off. Not until I posted this one.
If we break up, yeah, you know that it's a loss. Upgraded every dude I ever tossed.
It was the same dance I had been doing, but it was a group of us, and the edit was really funny. It went crazy, 1 million views in 24 hours. That was enough for me to know I'm not gonna stop. I did the dance everywhere, anywhere, any chance I got, and soon enough I saw people imitating it. At this point, thousands and thousands of videos were being created. I even had some Ghanaian dance creators reach out to me. Shout out Calvin Pervy, shout out Wesley Black. Like this was gonna be the song of the summer. We started getting distro offers and we signed a deal with Gamma to get this record out. By the time the release came in December, I had about 600k videos under the sound, and I myself had uploaded close to 200. Now the song was doing amazing, gaining traction. But come February, when Skilly Bang and Shensia hopped on the remix, that's when shit really hit the fan. Like, I knew the song was going to be a blessing, but I can't say that I knew just how far it was gonna reach and the amazing records that it's been able to break. And still #1 on the world digital song sales on Billboard. I mean, I can go on and on, but the question remains, what next? Can she do it again? We're gonna find out. I'll see you same time next year.
So if you listen to the reasoning, people, you can see that the journey towards our big song, Shake It to the Max, it wasn't necessarily an easy road, you know, because in the initial stages, a lot of people never believe in her talent and believe that she could have reached on a certain level, but she believed in herself and have the self-determination and the self-belief there. Went back home to her home country of Ghana and just decided to start from the ground root up. And she did it, you know. She basically said she did it on a budget too as well, because it wasn't an extravagant thing she did. Just some TikTok videos and some random postings. But big up to her for never give up on herself and just keep on pushing, you know. So for sure, you see, once you have that self-belief and that determination there, you can make it through. So now we check out a video we see with Nico Fire. He must say, yo, I'm gonna get set up in the port more than people. Like he must say, yo, people are pre and that style. So I hear reasoning and see what I did.
Yo, me there Portmore, one place named Hangway Mall. Come a Chinese place. You know, my wife a bother me about Chinese food. So I bring her come over here come get it. But me I go na drama. You know, say me come out of the car, say me I go follow my wife. Go upstairs with the restaurant there to get the food. And by the time I come out of the car for lock up it, and somebody where I park turn to me and I say, yo, Nico for your wagwan. I say, me there, man. The man say, yo, I like how you go on the internet, you know. I like how you go on the internet. Keep it up, keep it real same way. I say, yeah, man, bless up. So you know, say by the time if you go up the stairs, I two call center girls see me. Oh, I know they work a call center because they have the little thing on them head. They know the call center thing. Here, one of them I talk to them. You don't know him, Nico for your selector. Him ever cause artist and him not like Kartel. I remember say I put mommy there, and when she go say no like Kartel, I be people, me say I look for me. Me say no man, don't say that man. Don't say that man. I forget serious and say don't say that man. And she start laugh. Me just say yo, baby, when I go buy food there, I go walk in the car, I put mommy there. But I want them beat me over here.
So now we're going to segue over to some sports, people. We see where the Reggae Boyz defeated Bermuda at the National Stadium. Final score was 4-0. Yeah, man, it's a good look for the Reggae Boyz and it's a step closer towards the World Cup qualification. Because we see where Dujan Richards Whisper, yeah, man, him get a goal as well. Coach did the right thing and bring on Whisper a bit earlier in this match. The previous match, Jamaica lose, and bring on Whisper like in the 80th minute, and this match now, so we're bringing on Whisper like in the 60 minute earlier time for him can get more time with the ball and for be able to can do what him do normally as a strike, you know. So good goal for Whisper this as well. Yeah, man, is a good look. So the next match I believe would be Trinidad and Tobago, and that would be played in Trinidad and Tobago, and then the match following that would be Curacao. So you know, say if we win them 2 matches there, we sure know so we qualify for the 2026 World Cup, and it's a big historical moment that again for Jamaica, because it would have been like what 28 years since we last been to the World Cup if we do make that qualification, yeah, and it would have been a remarkable achievement for everybody who are there on board. So let's see if them can do it and continue on the same pace. Yeah, man. Alright, so next topic now, people. We see where it released that wanted man on for a courier driver accused of stealing up to 20 million from cash truck. Whoa, a whole heap of bread that, you know, people. You can't believe say a man thief 20 million and just disappear and gone. Yeah, man, cause TVJ put out on them official page say, yo, police are searching for a courier company driver who reportedly stole between 15 million and 20 million in cash from a courier truck over the weekend. According to reports, the man was a part of a 3-member team collecting cash from Megamart on Waterloo Road when he allegedly removed his uniform, left his firearm behind, and drove off with the money. A police raid at his Linstead St. Catherine home turned up empty, and the suspect remains on the run. The St. Andrews Central Police are aware of the case, though they're reportedly still waiting a full report from the company. So that shows you right now, man, with deliver the money, man just make a plan and decide, so yo, him gone, you know. Him they even want the gun, not even the uniform, not him no want. He just want the money and just move. Okay, I don't know, so yo, once you see him do that, a plan was already put in place. Most likely, him probably gonna left the country already or gone our next small island or gone overseas. Who knows where him disappear and gone. Him have 15 million or 20 million that. So a couple million that well, you see me, I think that are over 100,000 US. Over 100,000 US can basically carry anywhere in the world right now. So if him don't get the money down disappear, it's gonna be a tough find, but see if them can do it now. But I know one thing people, when that do that for 20 mil, when that just decide say yo, yeah, disappear and gone with that 20 mil there, or yeah, just hold it and just know say yo, yeah, collect your regular fortnight check and just hold it and be a good citizen. I know one that do. Alright, if you make it through to the end of the episode, I just want to big you up again and tell you thanks for watching the entire vlog. Yeah, man. Stay tuned for more episodes and more updates. Man.